Well, good morning to you. Yeah, Monday mutter time. Except for me, it's not Monday, it's Saturday. Yeah, Saturday. Even earlier. Slow down, Berti. So we're going uphill, dead easy with Berti with that extra tooth on. Yeah, no problem at all. But anyway, I'll get back to that. This is a special mutter. Yeah, I've got COVID. Yeah, I'm not very well. But before I get worse, I thought I would do a mutter. It's going to be slightly different. I'm going to go up to Hawley Castle. Yeah. Because I wanted to tell you about Berti and the extra sprocket and how I'm getting on and stuff. But what I'll do is I'll do some photos first. First off, Charlie, well, I've just been talking to Charlie via text. I'm going to give him a ring when I get back. But I've got no photos. But there you go. Charlie's not been out. He said he was just about to go out. He said, and the heavens open. What do you make of that? Yeah. Anyway, KT, he sent us some pictures of some pink roundabouts. Yeah. Oh, I can't even remember where. Somewhere in, I can't remember. America, is it? Oh, I just don't remember. Pink roundabouts and a marvellous meteor. Yeah, absolutely wonderful. But pink roundabouts he sent for Mrs. Tamer. He said, here, Mrs. Tamer, like those, all those flowers. And she did. Yeah. And then what I get? Oh, RC. Yeah, he's been out and about. And he sent us this picture of a mysterious giraffe. Look at that, in the mist. Yeah, with a leopard heading towards it. Probably going to have a chin wag. Yeah, marvellous. But he also said he saw Batman. Yeah, look at that. Oh, what a bike. I don't know what bike it is, of course. But brilliant photos. And then Siv. Yeah, he's... I can't remember exactly where Siv is. But anyway, it doesn't matter because his mate from Seattle sent him a photo. He said, look at this for a photo, because they're into photos. This Yamaha RD200 electric. Yeah, I guess it's just electric start. What a wonderful photo, eh? Absolutely marvellous. Then what did I get? Oh, Neil. Yeah, Neil and Glenn M. Yeah, Neil sent us a photograph of him and his two brothers all go out all over the place on their marvellous bikes. But he said, here's a picture. He said early 70s. Their parents bought it from their uncle, basically, for them when they were young. I mean, look at that. Marvellous Suzuki. Oh, what was it? Suzuki K10P or something like that. Absolutely marvellous. Let's get up here. Yeah, wonderful. Yeah, and then JH. Yeah, new to him, Interceptor. Yeah, absolutely marvellous. Did they call that the Lightning or something like that when they did them with those bags on? I think so, massive bags. Marvellous photo. Oh, look what we've got here. Wonderful. Is that a rocket? Oh, look at that rocket. And I don't know what the other one was, but we'll get up here because this is another hill. Yeah. Anyway, Foxy also sent me a photo from Bolton Abbey. Oh, I've got a story from Bolton Abbey, but I won't go into it now. Yeah, absolutely marvellous. So this is uphill all the way. As you can see, Berti doesn't have any trouble with the extra tooth. Yeah, marvellous. Even put it up a gear and it still pulls. Yeah. It's quite bouncy up here though. Yeah, so there you go, Interceptor. Also Rob R sent us a photograph. He's been out and about round I near Two Wheeled Willie. He said they've posted a giraffe out. They've probably posted that giraffe out to keep an eye out for Two Wheeled Willie. Yeah, absolutely wonderful. Oh, go on, Bertie. Yeah, hills no problem. Not round here. I'm not saying, you know, if we went into the lakes he wouldn't have a problem with that extra tooth. But for Suffolk, absolutely no problem. It's all downhill from here. Oh, I tell you what. Let's leave photos till because I think the castle's just over this hill. Yeah, it is. So I'll stop. I'll change cameras and just have a little mutter about the change of sprocket. There we go. Oh, well, we've got some young ladies sat there, so here he is, Bertie. Yeah, marvellous. So, new chain, Reynolds chain. Someone said about getting a DID. I'd already ordered this when they mentioned it. You can see state of Bertie is very dirty. But basically, the hassle to get the front sprocket off with the kickstart, off with the foot peg. You also have to get in there and take the brake pedal off. You can get away with it if you take the exhaust off. Then you have to disconnect the pipes, obviously, undo that and pull that off. And then the sprocket inside, there's a nut that's big, and it can be quite tough. But that's it, it's as simple as that. But it took me and Volcanic Brown hours. You obviously have to change oil, so you need oil filter as well. I did a full service while we were doing it. But yeah, makes a marvellous difference. Top speed, I don't know what the top speed is, but on the A14 I'm changing into top sort of 55, 60, and then it just keeps pulling. Yeah, no problems at all. But there you go, Bertie with a new sprocket, and I'm really, really pleased with it at the moment. Yeah, so I will get back on the bike and we'll finish the mutter. Right, here we are back on board, getting dishing on. Yeah. Oh, those young ladies there. The dads have motorbikes too. Let's get down here. Wonderful. Very confident. Yeah. Straight up poking about like your motorbike, all that lot. Cheeky little monkeys. But anyway, yeah, so Bertie, very happy with him indeed. We'll get down here. But yeah, back to photos. It's a very different mutter, isn't it, this one? I do feel better though for getting a bit of air blown in my face. And I'll tell you more about something else when I finish the photos. So, what else did we have? Filet, yeah. He sent us some pictures of his bikes. What was it? A couple of BSAs, a Bantam, a 63 D7, yeah, and B175, yeah, marvellous. And of course his Bonneville, yeah, absolutely wonderful. Great photos, yeah, what a collection of bikes. What else do we get? Steve, he up in County Durham, he's been out and about on his Speed 400. Absolutely wonderful bike. Which way we'll go this way? I was going to go down there and show you what he's like going quickly, but I'll not bother. Then what? Oh, WB. Yeah, WB has been out and about. He said he'd watched the video on the that I put out this morning on the hybrid, which is very interesting, and you've got to wait for the next video on that when I do the comparison with the Z500. So I'll say nothing about that for now. Yeah, XJR in the sunset from WB, absolutely wonderful. You're going far too fast, Bertie. Slow down. Oh, look at that car, marvellous. Then what to get? Oh, Muzz, yeah. Muzz sent us a picture, new to motorbikes or just getting back into motorbikes. He's got this Interceptor, candy red. I like it. That's the sort of colour I'd probably get if I got an Interceptor. That's what it'd be. Yeah. But there you go. Marvellous picture. And you know what? I'm going to leave it there. Yeah. Marvellous, because I'm feeling a bit rough. So I'm going to leave it there for the photos. So yeah, I've got COVID. Mrs. Thames said to me, come for a walk to the farm to check the horses and stuff. I didn't really want to. I'm feeling rotten, but she sort of forces me. So I get up and I go. And I did start to feel better, right up to the point that a wasp flew straight into my eyebrow and stung me for no reason whatsoever. And I thought, that wasp, that's been sent by Diddy Dave. Yeah, Dave, I reckon you sent that wasp. Stung me right on my eyebrow, so I'm already feeling rotten. And then that happens. Yeah. Anyway, look, hopefully I'll be feeling better by Friday's mutter. But sorry, I'm just dying. If you are thinking about changing the front sprocket on your 500, I would highly recommend it. To me, it makes it feel like it should have been that sprocket from new. But then I don't live in the Himalayas, do I? So what do I know? But certainly it doesn't really affect much on the torque and the pull, but it does half give you a much more relaxing ride at a slightly quicker pace. Yeah. Look, have a great week. I will catch you in Friday's mutter. Ta-ta.